Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default browser in Windows 11, step by step. Setting a default browser allows links and web pages to automatically open in your preferred browser. So, let's get started. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Next, select Apps from the left sidebar. Then, click on Default Apps. Here, you'll see a list of installed applications on your computer. Scroll down or use the search bar to find the browser you want to set as your default, such as Chrome, Firefox, or another browser. Click on the browser. At the top of the page, click Set Default. Windows will now make that browser your default for web links and supported file types. You can verify the change by opening a web link, which should now open in your selected browser. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default browser in Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.